Maroy Pao, Manipur na mapong Papa State oy bagyang kay mga suba thoram pangtokre Governor Eke Balana lamdam sida hena chawkat papurang na ba miyam punna thodang yamina si haina apil tawkre. Kurumjari ISTV pau ming tapi bising butaram nokchari hauji pau santong pijari. Manipur na mapong Papa State oy bagi yang kay mga suba thoram Governor Eke Balana saruk yatu na pangtokre. Mapung oiba thoram Manipur lengak na sinduna First Manipur Rifles ke parade ground da pangthoki. Thoram atuda Manipur da deploy tauba paramilitary force, state police amadi Manipur Rifles ke tongan ba contingent sing na saruk yaba march past governor na salami oki. Thoram atuda MLA Singh, Chief Secretary Punit Kumar Goyal, DGP Rajiv Singh, tongan ba security agency ki makok thongba official sing amadi civil amasung police ki official kaya na saruk yaki. Thoram aduda Governor Eke Balana Manipur gi yangkai ga mga suba state ud degi thoram asida India ki Prime Minister Narendra Modi na miyam da yaipa paujal pirakli haiba wafam tamladuna Manipur na India da tinkiba si democracy bu hena masak thokna amade laibak bu hena mapanggal kanba ohenna ba miteng da tinkibani. Mapung Papa State ama oiraba matungda miyam gi hak amade amata oibagi liching da democracy bu hena wahan thok leiba punsi mahing amada hingduna lakli lamdam asida ing tappa amadi amata oibagi liching purak na bukona bada mipung khudingmak na thaudang lomi na bachangi laibak asibu hena phaba maikai da chingduna puge hairbadi na singi thaudang chawi Manipur na ngasi phawbada sana khona ba amasung culture gi lamda purak liba mingchat sing chawthok chaningai ni state asibu hena phaba thakta pukhat na bukona bada miyam punna saruk yamina si haiki.
Parva Zone of 8 MR. Next, approaching Combined Indian Reserve Battalion. Second, Indian Reserve Battalion contingent led by Jimedar T. Romeo Singh. 11th IRB contingent led by Jimedar T. S. Bijoy. 11th IRB contingent. Next, Team Combined Hill District Civil Police Male, Fragile Kamtung Tengable Channel. Combined. Next, approaching 9 Indian. The Combined Civil Police Female Imphal West and Imphal. Next, approaching the Traffic Police Contingent Male, led by SR Contingent, led by Company Commander L. Lomon Singh. Imphal East. The Combined VDF Contingent, following NCC Senior. The NCC Senior Boys Contingent led by Senior Under Officer Okram Rahul Singh. Following is the 65th and combined band platoons Ajit Singh, 1st IRB band led by Havildar S.
A letter addressed to Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji has conveyed his heartfelt greetings to people of Manipur on this auspicious occasion of the Statehood Day of Manipur. As we look back on our journey that began on 21st January 1972, we take pride in remembering the collective efforts of the people Manipur have attained full-fledged statehood within the Indian Union. Statehood reflects the democratic ideal of governance of the people, for the people and by the people. It empowers the people in reaffirming Manipur's identity, democratic values and collective responsibility to ensure justice, unity and development for all. The development of the state can flourish when there is stability and trust among ourselves. Each one of us, especially our youth, has a vital role in nation building through discipline, hard work, innovation and a commitment to public good. भारत सरकार और राज्य सरकार फ्लैगशिप पहलों और राज्य विशिष्ट कार्यक्रमों के जरिए मणिपुर के विकास को तेज करने के लिए मिलकर काम कर रही है. Focused attention is being given to infrastructure development, healthcare, education, connectivity, livelihoods and digital governance to ensure inclusive and balanced growth across all regions of the state. Peace and security remain essential for sustained progress. The coordinated efforts of the civil administration, state forces, central security forces, and community leaders continue to focus on maintaining law and order, fostering dialogue, and rebuilding trust. The government remains firmly committed to upholding constitutional values, the rule of law, and the dignity of every citizen. On this solemn occasion, let's renew our collective resolve to work together for a peaceful, inclusive, and prosperous Manipur. Honorable Prime Minister, in his message, while saluting sisters and brothers of Manipur for their remarkable courage and unwavering faith in peace and progress, has assured Centre's full and steadfast support to strengthen Manipur's development trajectory.